Music is a time machine, but sometimes the machine itself needs a second chance.
Hidden beneath the silt of a forgotten jazz club, a legend is buried in silence.
The 1946 bubbler. Once the heart of every party, now a hollow shell of mud and rust.
Water, mud, and decades of neglect. This isn't just a repair, it's a resurrection. Welcome back to the light. Let's see if your heart still beats. The mechanism is frozen in time. Every gear, every spring is a victim of the flood. Vacuum tubes, the warm lungs of mid-century sound. Most of these are dead.
We strip it down to its skeleton, cleaning away 70 years of silence. Modern technology saving the gearwork of the past. After cleaning, the gears are bare gray steel, ready for a new life.
Obsolete parts require a craftsman's touch. We forge what we cannot find.
The first movement. The friction of time is finally fading.
Bringing back the deep, soulful glow of the 1940s.
The magic returns. These tubes will soon dance with heat and light.
A new nervous system for an old soul.
The heart is starting to pump. The tubes are alive.
The reunion of music and machine. The bubbles are the breath of the Wurlitzer, a symphony of physics.
The moment of truth. Let there be light. Let there be sound.
She's awake. Look at those colors.
$5 for a trip back to 1946.
Hear that?
That's the warmth of history. No digital file can match this.
Restored to its glory, ready to spin for another lifetime.
Another masterpiece, reclaimed from the shadows. Restore motion. Reclaiming history.